guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. You guys, 22, like I'm just, you guys, it's day 22. Anyway, today I just want us to, I don't know, there's some thoughts I've been having, or rather not really have been having, but things that have been coming through. You know what, first of all, if you've not watched my latest video, Vlogmas Day 21, which was a Thanksgiving ceremony for my babe Stacy, please check it out. It's not really anything informative, however I just want it to be a symbol of gratitude. Like, you see, whatever you've actually accomplished this year or over the years, and then this year marked the end, you gotta be really grateful. I'm about to actually make lunch. It's 2:20. I want to make some garlic cinnamon rice and with pea stew with a side of a boiled egg, and yeah, pretty much, and some cabbage. So we're gonna do that, and as we do that, I wanted us to just talk about things that have been kind of been stirred in my mind. Those two topics that have been standing out to me is: one, source of income; two, settling down; and three, the future. If that's how I'm gonna put it. Actually, you guys, I'm back in my Bantu knot. So yesterday I slept at freaking 1:30 because after I left the function, which was like around midnight, come check my makeup, wash my face, and then played this back into Bantu knots. You guys, it took me almost, I don't even want to talk about it, but anyway, it's called natural hair. On garlic rice, I put garlic, a small dash of oil, and then I grate my cinnamon into, like, I don't know, sawdust. Yeah, so in case you're wondering, my cinnamon sticks, they come into like a packet. So these are the cinnamon sticks, so I just pick one stick. So I pick this, and then I, using a knife, I just do, I don't know how to explain, but like I grate it like that. Like I do like wood shavings. I'm actually making Kilombero rice. So Kilombero rice is rice from Malawi. Malawi aromatic rice. I know the paper looks ugly, but since I started making Malawian rice, it tastes so much better. It has such a nice sweet scent. Like if you enter the house, someone will know you made Kilombero. I like Kilombero. I actually wish I could sell it in Kenya because I feel like people would love it so much. I was to talk to you guys about the things that have been in my mind, and I think I've mentioned them earlier. We're actually getting older, you know. What even the other day my aunt called me, even my dad was like, "One, I hope you're really thinking about your residual income, like reliable source of income. Like, can you sustain yourself, you know, as in, can you pay rent, can you pay for your food, can you do so many things without really being assisted? Is your business or even your employment, can it sustain you if something was to happen, if my parents were to, you know, maybe leave the country, or they were like, you know, if something was to happen, can I survive on my own?" My egg is inside the water. So what I do as well, since it's just egg, I mean, I'm not showing you guys how to boil eggs. Just open. Yeah, that. So when you put salt in the water, it's easier for the egg shells to come out. guys, you put a dash of salt. The salt looks a lot because it's sea salt, and sea salt is not as exaggerated like the iodine salt. So yeah, so I'm gonna let it fry a bit, then I'll put in water, and then yeah. Another thing that got to me was now the settling down, mainly because I mean, we're not getting any younger and I think especially because we are hitting the late 20s. Like, are you with a partner that you find serious, or just those talks that I'm really not a fan of talking about. Even here I'm just like, do I really want to talk about that? But and let me just say, because I feel like there's someone who probably is watching and wants to hear this, so I feel like in your teens it's cool, you could have fun, but like the older you get, not that I'm trying to say you should rush or think about marriage or anything. Nah, I'm just saying you start thinking like long term, like serious, like businessy, like can we it's not all about just turning up and having fun, and it's, can we build each other? Can you support my dreams? Can I support your dreams? What are you planning to do with your money? As in, it becomes serious talk. Yeah, so it's fried, and then you just pour them. And then another thing now is the future. Like the day we were with my dad, and he kept telling me like, as soon as you start making a reliable source of income that is constant, and that you can get, like, start saving for your retirement. And I looked at him like, now like, you want me to start saving? I was like, yeah, like start putting some money somewhere for your retirement, as in start saving for your children, start saving for like things, like now. Yeah, obviously not now because clearly right now I'm still trying, learning, struggling, but like once your income is reliable, and now that's what happens when I cover it. But yeah, so once your income is like reliable, start opening fixed deposit accounts, and maybe start saving for your kids, as in if you want them to go to good schools, probably even take an education insurance policy or something, and once he was telling me this, I was just like, yeah, I think I'm getting older. Oh my gosh, there's something my aunt said. She told me, Olly, if there's something I regret, was when I started making good money in her employment, she was just buying expensive shoes, expensive clothes, she wanted to look corporate, moved into a very expensive apartment, because she was making good money. So she was telling me like that's one mistake she did, as in if right now she could go back and use that money maybe and save and buy land somewhere, or put it in a fixed deposit account as it gains interest as she thinks of what she wants to do with the money you get, than spending on vitu za dunia when it's too early. I feel like you should spend kwa vitu za dunia, but when you've really just done everything. Trying to keep up with the Joneses. Now the new iPhone 11 is out. Do yo mimi teke trying to throw 100,000 to buy a phone. Catch me outside. I'm not about to say dead, but catch me outside. So yeah, as in, it's just not a priority. And she was like, just really try and save that money, and I've seen why. So guys, my rice is ready. Let's simmer down a bit more. So that is the food, the rice, the Kilombero rice, the peas, some cabbage, and the egg. So yeah, that's pretty much it. For me, 2019 has been full of lessons in life, and I'm actually appreciative and I'm happy because I've learned a lot. I really just learned a lot. So yeah, that's what my talk was about, guys. I hope you guys think about the things I've told you, and kindly, if you can, just let me know in the comment section, like, what are your thoughts, like, especially even from a man's perspective. Have you been advised about it, and do you also think about it? Like, Tell me, I'd like to know. Good food and some YouTube or Netflix, I don't know. So now I'm gonna enjoy my food. It's pretty much around 4, so watch something, relax. I don't know if I'll go to the gym because I've not been to the gym this week at all. I think I've gone once. Imagine. If you don't follow me on Instagram at Olly_Curate, please do. Anyway, thank you guys so much for sticking by with me. I hope you guys are having an amazing Monday, and we're gonna see each other tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 23. Thank you guys so much, and yeah, bye. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep subscribing like you guys. I even think I want to share with you guys at the end of Vlogmas how much my channel has grown from doing Vlogmas, and I'm really grateful. So yeah, bye guys.